Yeah.
Big fishing, baby, and we out here. Mountain Lakes today. We're power baiting it today, bait and weight. We might get the jig out. But anyway, Mountain Lakes, if you take the 15, get off on Sierra, go into the mountains going west, and take Lytle Creek Drive all the way up into the hills. You got your private resort. $20 for adults, $15 for minors. They just did a big stocking on Friday. So that's why everybody's here today, trying to get these fish out of here that they put in here. Always a good time. And we're back. What's up, you guys? Arvel the Fit Realtor. We out here having a good time. We got baits in the water. It's pretty dope. We're trying to see what we can do. Yep, yeah. So we're gonna work it out. And we're back, Arvel the Fit Realtor. There, we're back. Mountain Lakes, California. We up the Lytle Creek Road, you guys. San Bernardino, California. Well, really Fontana, somewhere around here. We out here. It's fit fishing, baby, and we getting ready to see what Mountain Lakes do. Ain't been here in about 10 years. They say there's some good trout fishing going on these days. It's real cold. We in the mountains, and we out here getting ready to fit fish Mountain Lakes. See you at the water. Fit fishing, baby, and we out here. We've been here since 5 o'clock, and it's finally 6 o'clock. They finally letting people in, so we in line, long line behind us. We were here, one of the first people here, but it's still a long time getting us in. Mountain Lakes, California, Lytle Creek Road, up into the hills. We out here, so we're looking to get some good trout fishing going on. They say this is one of the best trout fishing spaces in Southern Cali. I'll see y'all at the water. All right, you guys, we in, but we still ain't fishing yet. We got to figure out where to pay, and we got to figure out where to fish. It's very crowded. How you feeling this morning, Bear?
Pretty good.
All right, we out here waiting for Big Ant. He went to park, so we got to figure out where he's at. Good times. It's fit fishing, baby, and we out here. Bear got the earthworm with the garlic power bait. He gonna get that out there. There you go. And as you guys can see, it's elbow to elbow out here. Mountain Lakes. There's people all around the lake on this dock, all the way around. Some people already have their spots because they camped out in these trailers or these shelters, cabins, and they've been here waiting for the lake to open at 6. They had their stuff out here saving their spots. Look at this shoreline right here, just crazy. But we out here, Arvel the Fit Realtor, Bear. We out here, trout fishing, Mountain Lakes. Good times. All right, you guys, here's our setup. We got the earthworm with the garlic power bait. We got the split shot. I'm about to get that out right here. And we don't need to cast too far. A couple feet out. Set my drag. Good times. All right, you guys, Arvel the Fit Realtor. There, we out here, Mountain Lakes, getting it in. Our neighbors just caught one. right here behind Bear. They just caught one. So it's about 6:30 in the morning. Probably about 30 degrees out here in the mountains. So we getting it in. We ready to make it happen. See how many we can catch in an hour. We got to get out of here. Might come back, but we're gonna do what it do. Mountain lakes today. We're power baiting it today, bait and weight. We might get the jig out. But anyway, mountain lakes, if you take the 15, get off on Sierra, go into the mountains going west, and take Lytle Creek Drive all the way up into the hills. You got your private resort. $20 for adults, $15 for minors. They just did a big stocking on Friday. So that's why everybody's here today, trying to get these fish out of here that they put in here. Always a good time. They catching them over here. Look like they got some good ones on. They bringing them in 2 at a time. Look at that, 2 at a time. This must be the spot right here. Nice trout. There it is. Uh-oh, somebody got one out there too. So now it's me and Bear's turn. Uh-oh. They got one right there too. Trout bite popping. This must be the spot, you guys. Hey Bear. Bear, how you feel about mountain lakes?
Pretty cool. It looks like they're easy to net.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You think we're gonna pull a couple out before we get out of here?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. Got one on the jig. What you think, Bear? You gonna go get the jig and pole?
Yeah.
All right. Let me give you the key. Man, what I do with the key? There we go. Bear gonna be mad. All right, you guys. Got a nice one.
Yeah.
Big fishing, baby, and we out here.
Yes, sir.
You guys, you still videoing?
Yeah.
Ant was so worried about the fish, he wasn't videoing, you guys. We got one there. How you feel about that?
All right.
Good times.
Think about that.
All right, you guys. Big fishing, baby. We're going to get it back out there. We off the power bait with the earthworm. Bear's over here. He going to jig it out a little bit. What you got, the Rooster Tail, Bear?
Yeah.
Bear got the Rooster Tail. He gonna figure it out with the Rooster Tail. And I'm gonna get this one off the hook. I probably gotta clip the line though, because he swallowed it. I need my pliers though. Good times. Fit fishing, baby, and we out here. Bear got the Rooster Tail. He's using the pink Rooster Tail. But anyway, we got a nice one. We off the Powerbait, the garlic Powerbait with the earthworm. Our neighbor right here, he crept up beside us. He caught a couple off the little baby blue mini jig. Good times. Very crowded, elbow to elbow. It's like a festival out here right now, Mountain Lakes. I didn't know it was this popular. Private lake, gotta have a membership or be with someone with a membership to get in. A little different from Fisherman Retreat. Fisherman Retreat, you can come in and pay even if you're not a member. But over here, you gotta be a member or with somebody that's a member. So it's good times. But it's action all around the lake. As you can see, people got baskets, people got stringers, and we fit fishing. Manhood, fatherhood, positive coping strategies. Get you a fishing pole, find you a lake, and get to fishing. Always a good time. All right, you guys, so many people. People on the dock is getting tangled up with people outside the dock. It's a mess, but fish are getting pulled in left and right. That must be why so many people came out today. We in the mountains, you see that cloud over the mountains. Nice looking lake out here. People out here with their fires. Catching big fish over here. Oh, that's a big one. They're fighting a big one over here. Things going on. Let's see if they could get it up out the water. Going under the bridge. See if he could net it. There it goes. Oh, that's a big one, you guys. Oh, that's huge. It's a huge fish over there. Mountain Lakes. Look like he got like an 8-pounder over there. Good times. Arvel to Fit Realtor, good times. Mountain Lakes, always a good time. Fish are biting today. Garlic Powerbait and night crawlers. All right, y'all. We got Big Ant back with us. Yeah. Tell them where we at, team.
We up here at Mountain Lakes. We fishing. We out here. We doing it. We already got one. We just getting started.
You told me you came the other day and cleaned up,
I came last week and I cleaned up. And this is a mega stock. So we're about to catch mega fish.
Got it. Yeah. And you said your secret bait was what?
Powerbait, garlic Powerbait.
And then he's told me that these was the killers right here, you guys.
This is it. This
Chartreuse mouse tail.
This is what I have on there right now.
Okay.
That's what I got on here.
So that's what's winning?
Last week, it was the winner. We're about to find out.
All right.
We're still fishing. We out here. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, you guys. This pole right here was getting hit. Bear and I thought that we was going to have number 2. So, we'll see. But it's always a good time. Fit fishing, baby. Oh, they got one on the pier right there. Going ham today. They say they did a super stock. I don't know how many pounds, but they got big ones in here. They got small ones in here. Enough fish for everybody to catch something all around the lake. And that's always good. Everybody could catch something. Because you know it ain't always like that. Arvel to Fit Realtor, good times. Bear, always a good time. Mountain Lakes today. We out here. And Bear got a fish on. gonna net it, Ant?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
You want me to film it?
No, I got it. Go ahead and net it. All right. We got 2 pound tests on that one. That's off the garlic Powerbait. All right, Bear got one. Ah, look at that. Grab it, Bear. There you go. Fit fishing, baby, and we out here. Tell them what you caught that off of, Bear.
Garlic Powerbait with a piece of worm on there.
All right. Thanks for the net, dog. Roo. Good times. Fit fishing, baby, and we out here. It's a good time out here at Mountain Lakes. The bite calmed down a little bit, but for a minute it was one after the other out here. If you've never been to Mountain Lakes, you might want to try it out. I'm not sure which lake we in. I know they have 2 lakes. This looked like a smaller lake, but who knows. Anyway, good times. We got 2 in the basket, ready to get a little bit more. And you already know what it is. It's fit fishing, baby. And we out here. Fit fishing, baby, and we out here. We just made it back to Mountain Lakes. We had to get out of here for a minute, but we're back, and we about to hit this lake again this morning, about 6 o'clock to 7 to 8 o'clock. We caught 2, so we're gonna jump back on it, see how many more we can get. Good times. Like we still crowded around here, but ain't as bad. Good times. All right, Bear's getting his out. Don't cross their line. Make sure your drag is set. All right, you guys, we back at them. We got the same little rig, the split shot, and then a couple feet down, we got the Powerbait with the earthworm. We out here. Once again, you guys, we got the garlic Powerbait, almost done with it, and then we got the night crawlers, and we're putting that on a treble hook together, and then we getting it out there. And that's what they loving. That's what they loving out here, Mountain Lakes and all the other lakes. Garlic Powerbait with the earthworm. We in the mountains today, you guys. It's still a good time. All right, you guys, we're gonna try this trout magnet out one more time. All right, fit fishing, baby. Mountain Lakes, trout magnet. Here we go. We out here. Fit fishing, baby. Manhood, Fatherhood, Positive Coping Strategies. Get you a fishing pole, find you a lake, and get to fishing. Fit fishing, baby, and we out here. Manhood, Fatherhood, Positive Coping Strategies. One of our coping strategies is fitness. And speaking of fitness, last weekend I did what they called a Spartan race at Lake Paris. Spartan race, pretty dope. Something good to do just to get in tune with yourself, get in tune with your inner perseverance, your inner grit, your inner grime. It was good stuff. If you ever did a Spartan race, comment below. Let us know where you did the Spartan race and how it was for you, how it changed your life. What it did for me, it just reminded me how life is. Life is full of obstacles. The Spartan race is 5 kilometers and 20 obstacles. Just like life, a whole bunch of kilometers and a whole bunch of obstacles. But that's when you embrace your inner perseverance. Always a good time. Bruh's looking for the big bite. Look you guys. Mountain lakes. We got waterfalls. Here's your overflow. That little creek. Probably going down to the other lake or to Lytle Creek, who knows. Have to follow the bears over there jigging. We out here. Good times. Fish being caught out here. There's one right there. They out here catching them on the jigs. That's a pretty nice one too. Look like he got an orange spoon. I'm using an orange spoon. I'll figure it out in a minute. Good times. Bear's over there jigging it out in the corner right there. See if he could bring something home for the kipper. Okay, Bear has the cast master on the gray pole. Let's see if we can do something with that. Okay, that's a nice one. Slow retrieve. See if we can get one. These cats behind us are fishing with spoons. He just caught one off the orange spoon. Fit fishing mountain lakes in February. It's cold. I got 2 hoodies on, a BDU jacket, still cold. Hands is freezing. But you know, that's what we do to get that bite. To bring that fish in, we'll go stand out in the cold all day. Always a good time. Fit fishing, baby. Bring a friend. No, Bear.
Did you see that big one? Oh my God. Okay, I gotta go after you.
He'll attack you. All right, you guys. Big Ant just lost one. say it jumped out the water and shook the hook. So we're gonna be waiting for him to get that one back. Good times. Mountain Lakes, California. It's been fun, but we gotta go. Fit fishing, baby. All right, you guys, coming back from Mountain Lakes, and you got Lytle Creek, and that's that water running right there. Lytle Creek. Good times. Arvel the Fit Realtor, good times. Bear, always a good time. Mountain Lakes today. We out here and we're out. Arvel the Fit Realtor, good times. Mountain Lakes, always a good time. Fish are biting today. Garlic Powerbait and night crawlers, and we're out. And you already know what it is. It's fit fishing, baby. And we out here. Peace, you guys. Arvel the Fit Realtor back with another Sunday motivation. And today's Sunday motivation comes from a quote from Mike Tyson. And he says, you gotta be a champion before you become one. You have to be a champion before you become one. And you know, he was the champ. He did a lot in his heyday. But what he's saying makes a lot of sense, because what he's touching on is mindset. You have to have the right mindset to become a champion. You have to already have a champion mindset before you can physically become a champion. And what does that mean? What does that champion mindset mean? Well, yesterday I did a Spartan race, and the Spartan race is a thing in itself, but what it does teach you is how to have a champion mindset, because before you can even become a part of that race or get involved, you have to commit. And to be a champion, you have to be committed. So the first thing you have to do is sign up for a race, but you have to be committed. And once you're committed, then you need to prepare. So now you got to prepare for the race, and you have to train, and you have to get your body and mind ready for the race. And after that is execution. So when it's race day, you got to execute all the things that you planned, all the things that you trained to do and prepare for. Now it's time to execute that. And then after that, it's just perseverance during the execution. You have to persevere through the execution so that you can finish the race. And what I'm talking about here is life, you guys. That race is life. In life, you have to figure out what your goals and dreams are. You have to commit to that. You have to prepare and learn skills to help you get through that race. And then you have to execute. And while you're executing in life, you have to persevere so you can win the race in your life. You want to win the race in your life and be the champion in your life. That's today's Sunday motivation. I am Arvel the Fit Realtor. Peace. And that's that water running right there.